Well, today is Beethoven's 250th anniversary. 250 years since he was born. And so much music, so much wonderful music, and all that legacy that have been with us has not died. So I don't know what you think about music success or musical success, but I think that if you live a short life and after 250 years, your music is still liked and adored and played and enjoyed so much, I think that is pretty much success. So to celebrate, I'm going to play a little piece by Beethoven called Minuet. There you go. Happy birthday, Beethoven, or Ludwig van Beethoven.